Bum 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 bum. Get your Christmas sweaters at catwarehouse.com. There's this trend where the more boxes we open, the more boxes you send, and I'm starting to feel like there's like the mouse and it crawls into the bucket and there's like a little flap and the mouse weighs it down and it falls into the bucket full of water and you're drowning. That's what I feel like. This bucket came all the way from, this is Jacob in Michigan. Is that Michigan? It's packing peanuts. Big Willie. Oh. Big Willie, I caught a weird spider under a bucket. Please use the laser to make it dead. Do not wake it up. Godspeed. If you can't find out where this unholy abomination came from, there's a video for you. Viewer discretion is advised. You know what? I'm gonna make a point right now. I will not do your QR codes. Holy shit, a $5,000 gift card to Marathon. Do you know what Marathon is, John? What is Marathon? Marathon Petroleum. Is Marathon a gas station? It's a $5,000 gas station to a gas station that's nowhere near me? Do you know what Marathon is?
Yeah, it's a gas station.
It's like crowning. There's like what looks like a styrofoam head that's crowning. What the freaking crap? It's a tripod. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. That's the best head I've ever gotten in my life. And for William from Jeff Bezos. Holy shit, it's a fucking sword! Whoa, let's go! I've got the power! Let's go behead something. Oh fuck, I'm so sorry. Just a little off the top. You think I can do it? I think I'm gonna fuck this up. All right. I think that the sword is not nearly sharp enough, but that's for another day. What else can we cut in half? You shouldn't have sent this. Someone's gonna die. We should probably open this letter that I spilled beer on swinging the sword around. This is from Mr. Kite. Oh shit. It's a Mr. Kite. You can't send letters like this. This is a freaking novel. I think Kevin is really cute. Please, Kevin, let me kiss you. And then just basically just that over and over again.
I have a girlfriend.
Thank you very much for this nice letter, Mr. Kite. Kevin's gonna read it. This is a postcard that says, "Hi, William. This is a service the Swedish Postal Service offers." Does the Swedish Postal Service let you just send a JPEG and you can make a horrible postcard and mail it internationally? That's sick. This package is from Steven Challenger. Dear William, Nigel has not answered my email. Are you fucking using me to get to Nigel, asshole? These are crystals that were grown for use in science and industry. The color of this one is sapphire. Bro, I'm like, I got like some Sailor Moon over here. I got all the different gems. See you Open Sauce 2025. P.S. Kevin, Sandra, and John can have one too if you want to share, but if not, don't read this over. Will you, oh, yeah. I didn't even ask. This next package is from Petra to William. What could it be? Oh, I don't know how to use the sword. I had my gallbladder removed and my mom bought me a button maker for while I was recovering, so I made, holy shit, Petra, your handwriting is fucking awful. What the fuck am I supposed to do with these? I'm not putting one of these through my skin. What am I supposed to do with these?
Flare.
Flare for what? All right, I'll wear the Magic the Gathering one. I don't even know half this. Oh, that one's got boobs on it. That's awesome. 2 boobs. Ebb and Flow Studio. Oh, that is fucking sick. That's awesome. Send more shit like this. Do they have one without the towel? This is international. There's no name on the outside of the box. They want me to sign a birthday card. It's for Amelia in London, and is it pre-postmarked? What is this? What am I supposed to do? There's no stamp on it. Am I supposed to put an international There's money in it. Top secret, do not read aloud. You know what, that makes me want to read it aloud. I've included an address envelope. Unfortunately, I can't include stamps because I'm in the UK, but I've enclosed some cash. Oh, that makes sense. Now I feel like an asshole. Thank you, Amelia. AliExpress. You wanna open that one? Oh, it's a goddamn TRS-80 hat. Willard Assman. You can't mail shit with the word Assman on it. Lightning reaction electric shot game. This looks like something that you would shove up your ass. 3 players? Ah! It didn't even shock me, it was just a sound.
Wait, what's it doing? I'm scared to touch it. Oh.
Do we do 1 shock or extreme 3 shock?
No.
Extreme 3 shocks? Extreme 3 shocks?
No.
I don't understand.
Oh!
All right, well,
Kai.
that's enough of that. I don't think we have to play this anymore.
You didn't even get shocked.
Yeah, that's because I won.
What kind of game is that?
I think it probably would work better if you shoved one of these up your ass. Oh, from Ben? Ben, oh, it's 2 names, Ben and Michelle. Oh no, it's electronic lifestyle. What is this? What is this? What are you sending? There's a book about slugs for my baby? You sent me, there's money. They sent me money in an envelope. Yes. May your life be full of happiness. No, there's no money. Not reading the card. I will read 1 joke from the computer joke book at random. Computer viruses can affect humans too. When one trashed my hard disk, I felt sick for weeks. Ah, Kevin.
All right.
You got a little baby package. I don't think this is gonna work.
They're memes. They're meme postcards. This is exactly what I wanted for Christmas.
My body
Thank
is
you,
a
Rex.
machine that turns soda into pancakes. Like a fucking Zodiac killer? What is this shit?
This is bad timing.
Oh wow, thank you guys so much for the good memes. This next package is from Jetty Bob. Oh my god, it's more buttons, you guys. These are some of the weirdest pins I've ever seen. Like, I appreciate them. I made you some, Caretaker and Kevin, some buttons from my button store, but this isn't an ad because I don't sell the States. I cannot read your guys' fucking handwriting. Thank you for the pins. From Andrew in some other country. I don't know how to read this. Is it another country's money? It is, and a CD. All right, what kind of money is this? What did you send? Oh my God, this is, I think you cleaned your car out. I think you cleaned out your car and you sent a bunch of shit that you found in your car. This is a Canadian dollar, Just Dance 2019, and this is Hyrule Warriors, a Canadian McDonald's gift card. Thank you. I don't even know how to begin enjoying that. This one's from, of course, it's got no name on it. I wouldn't put my name on this package either. I'll give you $100,000 if you can guess what this is, John. Did you guess an air freshener shaped like Jeffrey Epstein that says this air freshener doesn't hang itself? Oh, too bad for you. You think it's pine salt? I think it's gonna smell like elementary school. You know, old people put too much perfume on to cover up the stench of their cells decomposing. I'm gonna cut Jeffrey Epstein's head off.
Just hang him from the sword.
Oh, hang him? I love the stuff you guys send. It's so good, it's so nice. Okay, it's a picture of a kitten. There's money, holy shit. This is sick. This happens very infrequently. My name is Claire, I live in Michigan. Thank you so much for making semi-shit content. All right, fuck you, Claire. Content for all of us to enjoy. I do actually enjoy it. I am an educator, soon to be elementary school teacher. Wow. Oh, Jesus Christ. One for you, one for you, and 3 for me. Thank you for the drug money, Claire. This is victory packaging. Like, this can only be crap. I don't like using the big sword. I mean, oh my God, it's more stolen mail supplies. Yeah, this is certified mail receipts. It's for official use only, and whatever employee is stealing the USPS stuff and sending it to me, I'm going to report you to your boss and you're gonna get fired and they're gonna execute you. All right, this one we absolutely cannot fucking show you. This is, of course, they didn't put their name on it. I actually, Kevin, you have to come here. I can't show this to you.
Whoa! That's a good printer.
Is that a pencil holder or something? Oh my God, it is. Okay, so whatever this 3D print is, it holds pencils. Bro, who opens Blender and is like, oh, here I go. $5 and we didn't even show what you sent. Oh wait, maybe we just blur it. Can we blur it? All right, editor has done a thorough job blurring it. I came across your videos a couple years ago after failing almost all my classes. You know what? I'm not joking when I say your videos are what made me think, well, if he can be an engineer, then maybe I can too. I really hope you enjoy the pencil holder I 3D printed for you. Bro, this is the most rancid thing.
It's foul. That's foul, but I love it.
It's so bad. All right, this is from Nicholas. Just gonna rip it. All right, Nicholas, what have you sent? Oh, okay. Celebrate Thanksgiving like a cat. Yeah, okay, and it's pictures of their cat. I like these. Oh, that's a fat boy. You got a fat little boy there. Oh, and there's a letter, and there's something in there. It's, oh my God. Have you ever opened a package from a fan mail package, and inside of it was your own credit card? That's interesting. This is actually really embarrassing because I was packaging some Cat Warehouse boxes here, and somehow the Cat Warehouse credit card fell into one of them. And they sent it back. Oh, I did know it was gone. I didn't realize it was gonna show up in an unboxing package. Greetings from Massachusetts. It felt weird to send an empty envelope with just your card inside. Thank you for sending my credit card back. Yeah, that could have gone so much worse. Package from the Rumbakas. It is an invitation to a wedding. And you always make your videos so entertaining. We were so concerned when you made the video where you talked about your burning house. Okay, that's enough of this letter. It's a bunch of binary. I'm going to show you every page of this binary, one frame at a time, and then somebody's gonna leave a comment of what it says after they either typed it in by hand and converted it, or they wrote a Python script. If you put identifying information in this, you're a dumbass. Here is a airmail postage stamp from 1918 worth $30. Oh, dude, that's sick. US postage, 24 cents. Look at that. That's sick. That's awesome. Wait, we should put that on the wall. From Runa to William Osman. I'm about to remove the blood from my body. William Osman, I hope you enjoy this gift that I have worked hard to get to you, and I love you and your videos. Enjoy this gift. Oh, Jesus, more stolen USP? I swear to God. Are you fucking kidding me? It's just more stolen USPS labels. Thank you, Runa. There's like thousands of labels. There are thousands. There are thousands of these shipping labels.
Hey, at least these weren't stolen.
Warning, cancer and reproductive harm stickers. I only have one ball, so. William Osmond lore just dropped. Oh my God, it's a roll of what feels like tape. To Will, man, Ozymandias, dude, I swear to God, if this is more, you know what, is this, like, this has to be 12 USPS simply, you fuckers. You fuckers? I'm gonna put on my huge ass, my big heavy ass. Is this employees that work there that are stealing shit? I'm gonna lose my mind. Who is this from? Looks like some sort of, they bought this from, Kevin, it's snacks! Hey! I don't know what monkey candy is. Do you wanna try monkey candy?
Yeah.
Nope, absolutely not. Wait, is this Swedish candy?
Oh my, no, this is worse.
Denmark. All right, these are gummy sharks, I think. They remind me of the Swedish candies my mom would get growing up.
I like it. Oh no!
Oh. Oh.
Is she right?
Oh. Oh boy. Okay, what do we do? We're not gonna open it right now. We're gonna do another second channel video of eating these because these feel like they might be good. And then I put that one in the fridge and there's another one. Oh, it's a different brand. We're gonna open these in their own video. We're gonna do it we're gonna do it the Swedish way. I'm gonna have my mom teach us. I don't think my mom knows. Thank you guys for the rotten fish, the candy, the sword. Wait, this was objectively a great unboxing for me. I've noticed the gifts are getting better and I appreciate that a lot. And you've been sending money, which is sick. And rotten fish, that's all I want, money and rotten fish.